What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video. I'm pretty sure you clicked on this video because you read the title and you know exactly what today's video is going to be about. Now, it has been a very long time since I have created an Amazon Influencer Program earnings video. So today, you guys are going to get that. August 2024 earnings are going to be right here. I'm going to share everything with you guys and thank those people who asked for it. Because when you ask around here, you will receive. So guys, thank you for commenting. Thank you for asking for me to make this type of video because I truly am a person of the people. If you guys ask for something, I'm going to do my best to help you and to do my best to create a video around that topic. So I had plenty of comments coming in about you guys wanting to see where I'm at with my earnings and what my Amazon Influencer Program is looking like. So in today's video, you are going to get that. So guys, please smash the like button down below. I'm not going to waste any of your time and make you wait till the end of this video to see my earnings. I want to share them with you right now. However, at the end of this video, I do want to talk about some things and discuss why might we be seeing such low earnings, what my thoughts are on the Amazon Influencer Program, and what my new plan is going into the rest of this year and into next year. So make sure you stick around to see that. So come on, let's go and let me pull up my earnings. Alright you guys, if you are new around here, we are not allowed to share our Amazon Influencer earnings page specifically. So all we really do is just copy and paste it into a spreadsheet and then we're able to share it with you guys. So that's why I have my earnings here on a spreadsheet. It's not to fudge the numbers, to fake it for you guys. I am 100% transparent with everything I do. So I have really no need to fake anything to you guys. But anyway, in this video, here I have August 31st through August 1st. I show the clicks, the item shipped, the revenue, and the commission for every single day. And right off the bat, you guys may notice that numbers are very, very low. If you take a look at this spreadsheet, I already have the lowest day, highest day, and average day set here off to the side. So we can go over that real quick. The lowest day, or the lowest amount of commissions that I received in the month of August 2024 was $17.51. So that is really bad. I don't think I've seen a day that low in a very long time, but there it is, $17.51. Now the highest day of commissions that I received the month of August was $61.22. That is also really crazy and actually pretty sad because I'm used to just seeing numbers at least around $100. For the past couple months, I averaged around $100 a day, and the program was doing pretty well. But as of lately, the program has really started to tank on me, and it could be because I haven't been uploading any videos. But we'll talk about that here in a little bit. Now, on average, per day, I have made $35.69 in commission for the month of August 2024. And like I said, you guys can pause this video, check out each and every day. You can see that I had, some good days, some not so good days. And that was pretty much the pattern for the entire month of August. Now coming down to the bottom here, for the month of August, I had a total amount of 12,944 clicks. I shipped out 1,760 items, giving me a total commissions earnings amount of $1,106.40. Yes, you heard that right. For the month of August, I personally made $1,106.40. I added 0 videos, and my total amount of videos on my Amazon Influencer storefront is 1,126. Now guys, there is so much here that we can talk about, so much that we can discuss. And like I said, I really did want to be transparent with you guys because a lot of you guys are flocking to this program thinking it's going to turn amazing profits, and you can be like a ton of other Amazon influencers that are here on YouTube or showing results across social media, right? And while you certainly can, this program is getting very hard. It's getting very competitive, very challenging, and you're having to put a lot of work into this program. Now, don't get me wrong, it's a great program. And if you're somebody who can use this money as side income, then this program's amazing. But if you're trying to turn this program into something that pays your bills, gets you out of your full-time job, and lets you work completely free from home, you're not exactly going to get that. I have been struggling with that myself because, as you guys may have known, I quit my full-time job to work on all my side gigs, to put myself fully in the Amazon Influencer Program, YouTube, everything that I've been working on, and trying to stay afloat and pay all my bills by doing this. But a $1,106 month is just not going to cut it for me. So I will talk about that later on in the video, but for now, there are a few things that I want to discuss. Right off the bat, there are two main things that I would like to discuss about the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, the first thing that I want to talk about is, if you came into this Amazon Influencer Program around the time that I did, there was only a max of 6 videos allowed per product page. So that meant that only 6 videos were going to be on product pages, and people who are looking to buy a product could scroll through those 6 videos. More specifically, the closer you were to the top, the more your video was going to be seen, and probably the higher the chances that you were going to make commissions off of that product. Well, if you guys have noticed, Amazon has changed a few things. And here, as of lately, there are now 20 videos allowed per product page. And the crazy thing is, most of the products already have 20 videos on them. Most products that I'm clicking on have 20 videos in the carousel, and to me, that's just outrageous. When I first started and we were only allowed 6 videos per product page, there was so many available slots. Most products that I had at home could still use videos, and there wasn't a whole lot of competition. But the program now has changed. Now, guys, I don't say this to discourage you, to get you to not apply into the program, or for selfish reasons thinking I'll make more money by you guys not joining. That has nothing to do with it at all. I just want to share with you guys some information and some insight at how quickly this program has changed. From last August to this August, I have seen crazy changes. My income has dropped over $3,000 from last year to this year. And, having 20 videos per product page is so competitive, which means you're going to be making videos so much and they're just going to be falling off carousel so quickly that I feel like you have to put a lot of time, effort, and energy into the program to keep it going. And that's why if you check Reddit or if you check the comments on social media, a lot of people are saying how they have so many videos and they're only making so little amounts of money. And that's because videos are falling off quicker than they can turn profits, and that was not the case last year. Another thing is, if you get to over 1,000 videos like I did, it is a real struggle to find products to review. If you're a part of Creator Connections, then that's a fantastic program that Amazon has, and the longer you have been in the program, the more connections you probably have made, and the more familiar with the program you probably are. But I wasn't as blessed as some people, and I just got into the program recently, and it's very competitive. It's hard to find products. It's hard to get them coming in as much as a lot of other people. And I'm still finding out that it's hard to get products into review. So it's very challenging to think that I have to keep making so many videos to keep this thing going, but I can't find the products to do it. Now, guys, another thing I want to talk about, and this is more of a personal preference, but if you look here and you see that I made $1,106 in the month of August, and I have about 1,126 videos. Just doing some rough math, it looks like I made about $1 per video from the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, over the course of time, this video, or this dollar amount of $1, is just going to keep going down. I'm going to make less and less commission if I don't touch this program anymore. Now, yes, I could keep uploading more videos and, on my side time, make more videos and try to grow my commissions. But like I said, you're having to produce videos at a higher quantity than ever before just to keep your commissions growing. And that's just by a little bit. So, quick math, like I was saying, $1,106 in the month of August with 1,126 videos equals about $1 per video. And like I said, that's just going to keep going down if I don't do anything. Now, on the flip side, if I compare that to something like YouTube, none of my YouTube videos have made me less than $1. And that number is just going to keep growing because YouTube videos have a way longer shelf life than, let's say, something like an Amazon Influencer Program video. This is a huge point that I want to talk about because you don't want to be making these videos for nothing. Yes, you can make these videos and put them on YouTube and hopefully you can find success that way. And that's honestly a great strategy. But for me, it just wasn't working. I would rather focus my time, energy, and effort onto my growing YouTube channel where I can make longer form videos that are generating me $10+ per video and will continue earning me money across the long term, because that is truly passive. And also, I find like that my YouTube videos have purpose, have meaning. They document something instead of me just grabbing products to review and grabbing products to just say random things about. And let's be honest, you guys are not scripting your Amazon influencer videos. You guys are not focused on quality on your Amazon influencer program videos. And quite frankly, you don't have any true satisfaction from these videos. They don't do anything for you, especially if you're having to pump them out in high batches, high amounts, right? At that point, you're just trying to get these videos done. I've been there, I've done it, guys. I was just like you, trying to see how I can get to 1,000 videos as quick as I could. And now if I'm in the program, I'm going to try to be at doing like 200 to 300 videos a month, which is outrageous. It's honestly insane, and it's going to take a lot of time. And you got to be really good at what you do. You have to figure out how to utilize time management so that you're not doing these videos all day long and you're not stressed out. It's a lot. The Amazon Influencer Program is going to be a lot if you want to make a lot of money. And that's just a simple fact. It's not an easy program. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not something that you can do just after work and make thousands of extra dollars on the side. This is a real tough program, and Amazon knows that. And the tougher they make it for us, the more we'll fall off. But there is definitely still money to be made. Now, I just looked at the program and realized that my focus was going to be on YouTube. I want to focus on my channel, and there's nothing wrong with that. But if you guys are somebody who did the Amazon Influencer Program and you're looking for something new, I would say to switch your focus to YouTube. Check out YouTube. Figure out how you can make YouTube a sustainable business model, how you can make YouTube bring you in passive income. Because it truly is something that is worthwhile, worth you taking a look at, and you can grow it over time. The mindset that I have is I need to post 2 videos per week for the next 9 years, and I'll be good. I know, you guys probably think I'm absolutely crazy. But no, for real, if you look at it that way, that each Amazon influencer video is bringing me in about $1, and I look at my YouTube videos, there's just no comparison. I would rather focus everything that I have into my YouTube channel than on my Amazon Influencer Program. So, guys, that brings me to the future of the Amazon Influencer Program and my plans for it. Really, I just plan to review things if I purchase them or if I get them sent to me, and I'll do it on my free time. I may make maybe 2 videos per product and try to get them uploaded. But like I said, I haven't uploaded videos in 2 to 3 months, so I really don't have a huge focus on doing this, but it doesn't hurt. It doesn't hurt to make videos off of products that I'm already buying, products that I already have in hand, products that I'm going to be using and wearing and testing out. I don't mind making videos on them. So I will make videos here and there. But as a little spoiler for one of my next videos, I am going to be taking a new job. I am going to be going back to a full-time job, and that is in part to the program. The program didn't sustain the way that I thought it was going to. This program quickly fell off in just 1 year, and so I'm pretty scared about what it can do in another year. So I will be going back to work. And now this Amazon Influencer Program will be taking a back seat. My YouTube channel will be up front with me as a passenger. I'm not going to be disregarding it whatsoever. My focus is still on building my own brand, taking care of myself, building things up that I can do long term, that I can do after my job, right? Things that I can grow for my own self and my own happiness. But I do need to get a job. So I have that lined up, and I'll be creating a new video all about that. I'm actually very excited for it. And it's been a little bit since I've been at work. It's been almost a year since I've, left my corporate job. And so I have a lot to talk about regarding this new venture that I'm going to be taking on. But like I said, this is my earnings for the Amazon Influencer Program. These are my thoughts about the Amazon Influencer Program. And now you guys know what I'm going to be doing with this program. So guys, I really just wish you guys the best. I hope that the Amazon Influencer Program continues to do well for you. If you're interested in joining, I still recommend it. I just hope that you guys can get a better understanding of some real actual earnings of what the program is doing for some random normal people, and not just thinking that it's going to get you, super rich, get you to quit your job and fulfill all your dreams that you've ever had in your entire life, right? Now, let's get real for a minute. This is just another side job. This is a side hustle, and it brings in side money. But you're going to get what you put into it. So, like I said, I wish you guys nothing but the best. I hope everybody does well in the program or gets in if they would like. And if you have any other questions, like I said earlier, I am a person of the people, so just let me know, and I will help you in any way that I possibly can. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you for staying till the end of this video. Please make sure you like this video, turn on post notifications, and subscribe to the channel. That means so much to me, guys, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.